I started sneezing. I got the last one and the last one. 3 times in a row. I'm like, quick, load up this video I'm doing. And get off it and try to hit the record button. I'm juggling so many videos. I'm already up to March 26th. And then I have one already April 1st. Because I gotta have an April Fool's one. But it's not a prank or anything. Just, I gotta have all the way up to April Fool's. For you clowns out there. Oh boy. Alright, let's just get into it. Oh boy. The sneezing. I got my water. Catch my breath a minute. I can grab my soda. Alright. I had to put my walking video on. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Get that in there. Get in there a bit. It does help clearing it out. I gotta do it every day. You can't breathe otherwise. Let's see. I breathe from my mouth. It makes all my videos hard, all this air I'm breathing. Sounds terrible. Oh yeah. And why do I have breathing problems or snotty nose or my eyes will water or itch or why? Melody? It's because I'm allergic to the cat hair. I got 8 cats. I had 11. But I gave, we gave 3 away, so. So, anyway, yeah. Well, 2 we gave away and 1, I think it went to the neighbor's house. But we gave it out only 2. What are you going to do? I think the neighbor kept the little kitten. It's okay. We have too many. Okay. Breathe, girl. Breathe. Right. I gotta get me a new hanky. This one's getting dirty. Let's go. That one needs the wash. That needs the washroom. That needs the washroom. Back to the tissue paper or the toilet paper. Well, that was a good one. Doot doot. Chugga chugga chugga. I love watching all these nose blowing videos. They're awesome. I'll watch a few that. They're cool. They're cool. We'll get some mad views on those nose blowing on those nose blowing videos. Mad views. I don't know. I just try every day. Alright. I have to go pee. I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'll put it on pause. And I'll get my soda. I'll be back out of breath. Because I need my inhaler. And I can't breathe out of my nose yet. So when I come back, I'll be like, oh. So don't mind that. Bye-bye. I'm back. I blew the hell out of my nose. I had to watch Lily's video on the toilet. Take a big dump that big. Videos make me shit. It made me vomit and it made me sick yesterday, but I got over that. My friends cheered me up. And then, I don't know where you can get those Fifth Avenue. I'm not a kid candy bar, but I could be. I'm not going to eat them, though. They'll just sit there, and then we'll throw them out. Brandon will throw them out. No, they'll eat it. No, I know. The kids will eat it. Oh, these candy's straight out. I haven't been eating candy lately. I don't know what's wrong with me. I've just been in a healthy kick. Boy, a few little shrimp pasta. Just a bit of shrimp and I'm full. Oh, I want to have one of those mountain meals. They look so good. Well, I gotta do my water pill. I gotta do my inhaler. Hold on. Let's see. Where's my inhaler? Let me look for it a second. Hold on. Okay, I have it. So there, I hardly can breathe. Oh, jeez. Okay. Cat Heron. It's always hard in the morning or when I get up. Whenever it is. So. Alright, let's take this. And then I got my garlic. And I got paper towel. And I got toilet paper for today's events. Alright, 1, 2. Blow out the stress. Now breathe in. Oh, awesome. No? I don't know, but my mom doesn't eat candy. My mommy doesn't eat candy. My mom's very, 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 very skinny. She had weight loss surgery some time ago. I guess she got to the weight that she qualified and she had really good insurance with her husband. She remarried. My parents were divorced, so really good insurance on their own. I don't know. They have really good insurance, I guess. I would think. I'll have to ask her what she did before. She got all kinds of work done. She's very, very, very thin. Very thin. She offered to get me a weight loss surgery. I went 3 times. Went like 3 times to the doctor. We can't. Because I have a hernia, that's inoperable. But the problem was my cholesterol was high, and what was the other reason? My cholesterol was high. My triglycerides, that's what it's called. Because see, these aren't high anymore. I have to try to remember everything. And my triglycerides, did you know they were high? Can you believe that? All the health food you eat. See, you could eat all the health food in the world. Fuck. You could just eat all the health food in the world and still have high cholesterol. You could be a vegan and still have high triglycerides. I can believe it. Or vegetarian. I don't know. You know what I mean? You could do everything right and still have everything wrong. What you gonna do, That's what I say. Enjoy yourself. I like my diet and my routine, but enjoy yourself, But you never know. Try to take this garlic oil pill. I don't know. It seems to. Oh my God, my stomach. It seems to help my immune system. That helps me. And it also keeps blood pressure down. So many reasons for garlic oil. I eat garlic too. Like the pasta I had has a lot of garlic in it. A lot of people are allergic to garlic. I remember a friend of mine, either it was her husband or her partner, was very allergic to garlic. Told me that, so I didn't cook anything with it. Yeah. So, yeah. Okay. I guess we're ready for some more nose blowing. I'll use my stomach's making all kinds of noises. Ugh. That detox tea. Detox. The casca cigarette, the turkey rhubarb. The Garcia Silvestre. You know what it is. I'm just teasing. It's the organic lemon peel. Just have a few bitten. Woo! That is like, you save so much money. That's like all those things I mentioned in one. Evacuation. Huh. They're great for weigh-ins. Oh, rub my belly. And that pain and that fullness goes out. I love it. Rub my tummy. Rub my belly. Get in my belly. A great day today. All right. Anything else you need to do? Oh, I need to put my pill in there. Hold on.